passageway to an underground city thousands of years old and more than 280 feet deep. I've been there on multiple occasions, and it's...
Alright, here is the unboxing of the iPhone XS Max. I'm going to take this box off. I don't have my tripod, so I'm going to film this in sections. Alright, so here is the packaging. Looks pretty cool. It's kind of heavy. So, the next time I'll actually have the box opened. Alright, so I've decided to try to do this one-handed. So, let's see. Oh, looking good. Usual Apple minimalistic packaging. Let's see. It's nice and big. Looks good. Seems thinner than the 7 Plus I'm currently using, but it could just be because my 7 Plus has a case on it. Very shiny. So I can assume it comes with the normal stuff, earbuds, charger, but let's dig down in here just in case there's anything special, which I seriously doubt it. Apple doesn't usually do that. Alright, normal lightning charger, earbuds, and a brick. Let's see what's in here. Got me some sweet decals that I probably won't use. And, oh yeah, that's for the SIM card since it has dual. Alright, everything's the normal Apple minimalistic look. Shows right there. Alright, let's get this thing turned on.